Hello again, my name's Gabe Zollner. This is February the 4th, 2017. Just read an article that you might find to be of interest. It also has some embedded videos. This was posted by Brietbart and it was put up on the 3rd of February 2017. Title: U.S. moves USS Cole closer to Iran-backed Houthis as sanctions are imposed on Iran. President Donald Trump's administration has executed a new round of sanctions against 13 individuals and 13 companies involved in procuring material and technology in support of Iran's ballistic missile program and the country's hardline Islamic Revolution Guard Corps. In a statement announcing the sanctions, the U.S. Treasury Department said, quote, "This action reflects the United States' commitment to enforcing sanctions on Iran with respect to its ballistic missile program and destabilizing activities in the region." You want to read the rest of the article and you want to listen to the embedded videos. The President of the United States is making it clear Iran is now dealing with a real president, not a Muslim puppet like Barack Hussein Obama. Things will get interesting in a hurry. You sort of know what I think. We got a darn good idea what President Donald Trump thinks. The question now is, what does the Ayatollah Khomeini think? Huh? Personally, I could give a damn. How about you?